Welcome back, viewers. In today's video, we're going to explore the awe-inspiring working of the human heart. The heart, a remarkable organ responsible for pumping blood throughout our bodies, is truly a marvel of nature. Join me as we embark on a journey to understand the intricacies of this vital organ. Imagine this, your heart, about the size of a fist, tirelessly pumping blood through a network of blood vessels, keeping you alive every second of every day. Let's delve into the inner workings of the human heart and discover how it accomplishes this remarkable feat. Before we dive into the details, let's have a quick overview of the human heart's structure. The heart is divided into 4 chambers, 2 atria and 2 ventricles. The right side of the heart receives oxygen-depleted blood from the body and pumps it to the lungs for oxygenation, while the left side receives oxygen-rich blood from the lungs and sends it out to nourish the rest of the body. Now, let's follow the path of blood flow through the heart. It all begins with the right atrium, where oxygen-depleted blood enters from the body. From there, it passes through the tricuspid valve into the right ventricle. The right ventricle contracts, pumping the blood through the pulmonary valve and into the pulmonary artery, which leads to the lungs. In the lungs, the blood collects oxygen and releases carbon dioxide. Oxygen-rich blood then returns to the heart, entering the left atrium. From there, it passes through the mitral valve into the left ventricle, the heart's strongest chamber. The left ventricle contracts forcefully, propelling the oxygenated blood through the aortic valve and into the aorta, the largest artery in the body. Have you ever wondered how your heart keeps beating rhythmically? Well, it's all thanks to a specialized group of cells called the sinoatrial node, often referred to as the heart's natural pacemaker. The sinoatrial node generates electrical signals that cause the heart muscles to contract and relax, setting the pace for each heartbeat. The electrical signal travels through the atria, causing them to contract and push blood into the ventricles. Then, it reaches the atrioventricular node, which acts as a gatekeeper, briefly delaying the signal before sending it to the ventricles. This delay allows the atria to empty completely before the ventricles contract, pumping blood out to the body or the lungs. Our heart rate is not constant and can vary depending on factors like physical activity, emotions, and overall health. This regulation is managed by the autonomic nervous system, which consists of the sympathetic and parasympathetic branches. The sympathetic branch accelerates the heart rate, while the parasympathetic branch slows it down, ensuring a balance in different situations. It's important to remember that the heart doesn't work in isolation. It is part of a larger system called the circulatory system, which includes blood vessels, such as arteries, veins, and capillaries. These vessels transport blood to every part of our body, delivering essential oxygen and nutrients, while removing waste products. And there you have it, the remarkable workings of the human heart. From its rhythmic contractions to the intricate network of blood vessels, our hearts tirelessly perform their life-sustaining task.